A very brief appearance for Zweliphansi Skhosana. I'm told it was less than 5 minutes. We were, in fact, not inside for those proceedings. There was some security concerns here at the front of the court. And I understand that even Magaqa family members didn't go inside and see Zweliphansi Skhosana themselves. I do have with me Umzimkhulu Magistrate, who is a family member of Sindiso Magaqa. And I firstly want to speak to him about how they felt about not being inside court when that appearance of the re-arrest of Zweliphansi Skhosana took place.
This shattered the hopes from the family side, just because the suspect's family was allowed to enter the court, yet the Magaqa family was not allowed. Another thing I noticed is that the bodyguards, together with the policemen, were strong, very much strong at the gate. They didn't allow anyone to come in. But I don't know what happened to the suspect number 2 family members to be allowed to enter the courtroom. Another thing, it is not good to hear that the case has been reprimanded for the 1st of August. We don't know what happened inside the court, but we were told that on the 1st of August, this coming Friday, the suspect will come again in order to apply for a bail application.
How do you feel about the rearrest of Zweliphansi, who is a former municipal manager? And of course, some of this information coming out of the court case that you've been attending as a family, where Sindiso Magaqa, made a couple of confessions and implicated the likes of Zweliphansi Skhosana, as well as the late Mluleki Ntobe, and also someone, Mdunqalani, who is an official at the eThekwini municipality. What was the feeling from the family when, these people were pinpointed as the ones called for Sindiso to be killed in the manner that he was killed?
The rearrest of suspect number 2 is just a drop in the ocean, just because Mr. Sindiso mentioned many names in his statement, whereby he mentioned a certain Mr. Nkosi was driving a red BMW. He also mentioned a businessman. He also mentioned a police who escorted them from Umzimkhulu to Durban. And now there's this leakage of a conversation between Ngengwa and someone who's in Durban, which means there's a lot. There are many people who are attached to this case, and all these people must come to the dock and answer for themselves.
How did you take the sentence that was handed down to Ngwenga? It's 85 years put together with 25 years for the murder of Sindiso, other charges related to that, and other charges like the armed robbery that weren't even related to the murder. But how did you as a family take that sentencing?
That sentence that was given to Ngengwa is good for me, just because if he was given life sentence, he would never be a state witness anymore. Now, for being given 25 years, it helps us to get the information of with whom, where he was during this massacre.